Today, I'm gonna show you how I feed the birds that come here and visit me every day in my backyard, and I'm gonna show you how they eat. So let's get started. So this is the cup I use every day to fill in the bird feeder, and it's about 20 to 30 ounces. So let me just fill it in. It also lasts about 1 to 2 days, which is pretty good. So now I'm outside and let's fill in the bird feeder. When I'm filling in the bird feeder, there's always birds watching me because they're really hungry and want to eat. So I have to fill it in quickly. And voila, it's all filled in. I also got an ASMR clip from my special guest. Here's an ASMR clip from these sparrows. It's just so cute. We also have other special guests like red cardinals and blue jays. I love watching birds and squirrels eat. But with that, I really hope you liked my video and I'll see you soon. Bye!